want to read Jakarta, 26 February 2001. Year. Today is my first day in University of Jakarta. I want to tell you about my new stay in Jakarta. You know, since the first time I arrived here, I stayed in a very big house in the city. Situation I felt. I was in the community to make new friends. I think it's hard to do. As I really want a friend coming from Pontianak. She is very kind person. As I told you before, this house with many layers. And I try to bring holy life, my friends, my parents too. Everything so far is good for morning. Even though sometimes I think about using another subject for my study. I wish you both help me with your education. I look forward to hearing from you. Especially yours, Stefan. Second, I will explain about the center. The center is story of someone, and he is staying in Jakarta. He studied in University of Jakarta, and he stayed in a very big house next to the ship. And in Jakarta, he meets a new friend. He met many new friends, such as from Pontianak, and he's very kind person. Any questions?
I have. What the letter tell us about? Oh, that is or jealous or give me information about it. About your letter. Thank you.
This letter is someone brother. His name is Priya. He wants to write a letter to his friend. That's Stefan.